Welcome to Babunga's channel. Let's make a Christmas charm. They're quick, easy and fun to make. Get a small piece of wire, this is garden wire, and make a little loop and then bend the ends like this. Wrap aluminum foil around this and make a semi-spherical shape, leaving out only the little loop. This will become the core of our pomegranate Christmas charm. Now we need air dry clay. Make it flat like a blanket and wrap this around the aluminum foil core, leaving out only the little loop at the top. The clay coat is not too thin so it won't crackle after drying. Now we're gonna do the top part of the pomegranate where the fruit splits 4 ways. So I'm making a leaf shape and this will be attached at the top, not covering again the little loop there. And as you can guess, this has to be done 3 more times to complete the pattern. And we take very good care so these parts are fully merged to each other and to the rest of the shape. With air dry clay, any thin little part will probably crackle and break after drying. But with this thickness it'll be okay. Before continuing, we can smooth the area with a little water. Now, what we need is a roughly circular dent at the flatter side of our pomegranate. I'm using a spoon, but it can be done in a number of ways. This is where the little seeds will go, but first it needs a little bit of smoothing, again using water. Okay, now before I place the seeds there, I'm gonna create 2 compartments for them. So let's do it using a little clay cord, giving it a wavy line and merging it with the rest of the pomegranate with a wet brush. And if we wanted, we could make 4 compartments instead of 2. And now it's time to make the seeds, tiny little balls of clay. Before placing them, use white glue just to be on the safe side, because we cannot press too much here. We place each little seed gently, filling both compartments. So needless to say that here we can take our time and with patience complete this task. Finally, our pomegranate is ready. The only thing we need is to let it dry. And this might take about a day. Our pomegranate is dry and ready to be painted. I'm using acrylic colors, and after I finish, I'm going to use acrylic varnish too. I'm using red and gold and black, and generally trying to give it a festive Christmas appearance. Colorful, shiny string and beads complete the pomegranate. And why not try different types of Christmas charms like garlics or figs? So that was it. Merry Christmas to all!